The newly announced Fossibot F110 Pro is billed as a rugged performance phone with a focus on power and endurance. The beast was quietly launched by Fossibot and is currently available for $300. Let's explore what makes this rugged phone a nice one. Please subscribe to the channel to get the latest tech videos. So without further ado, let's explore the Fossibot F110 Pro. The F110 Pro runs on the Dimensity 6300 5G chip, paired with 20 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, expandable with a T-Flash card, making it strong for multitasking and storage flexibility. Its standout feature is the 128 decibel loudspeaker, designed for clear and powerful outdoor sound. Powering the device is a massive 10,000 mAh battery with 20-watt fast charging and reverse charging support, ensuring long use and backup power for other devices. The phone sports a 6.745-inch HD Plus IPS water drop display, an 8-megapixel front camera, and a dual rear setup with 50-megapixel main sensor and a 5-megapixel macro lens for close-up shots. It has IP68 and IP69k ratings for dust and water and high-pressure water jets resistance. It's also MISTD 810H certified. Connectivity and convenience are well covered with Android 15, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, OTG, FM radio, and multiple unlock options, including fingerprint and face recognition. Overall, the Fossibot F110 Pro balances rugged durability, big sound, long-lasting battery life, and reliable 5G performance, making it a solid choice for outdoor and heavy-use users. There you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.